Finding parts is now even easier with the new John Deere Parts Lookup. You can search by model or part number. In this example, we're using the 3032E compact tractor. Select the appropriate model from the search results. You can search by keyword or use the Browse Parts section below to navigate to the part you need. We recommend using the search box for convenience. Here you see search results from oil filter. If you're still uncertain, you can select View Illustrations. The View Illustration feature shows an image of the part and where it's used. Add the part you want to your cart and select Checkout in the upper right-hand corner. The checkout will transfer the shopping cart into the portal to check dealer availability. From the shopping cart, you see your selected parts and their availability at your chosen store location. To see availability at other stores, use the branch/location drop-down and follow the normal checkout process.